What's up, everybody? It's your boy Lavish. I'm here again. Gonna talk about Ether Connect. This is day number 2 for your boy. Like, share, comment, subscribe on this video. Subscribe to my page, and let's get into it. So let's look at the markets for today. We got Bitcoin down 8%. It's looking bloody. The market's looking bloody today. Ethereum down 13.33%. Obviously, Tether's a stable coin, so not much fluctuation. We got Hex. It's a coin I like. 0.11% down. Honestly, I don't know if we're in a bear market or if we're in a trap. Meaning like they're trying to pump the price down, the whales, to make everybody sell off and scare them. And then it's going to continue the bull. It's looking more like it's leaning into the bear market. But like, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. So what we see here is we got Cardano down 12%. We got Binance Coin down 11.56%. Ripple, I don't like Ripple, but it made a lot of people a lot of money. 12.99%. We got the infamous Dogecoin down 26%. Sheesh. What else we got? We got Shiba. I got some Shiba that's down. Everything. This is a whole blood market. It's a bloodbath. This is crazy. The whole market is down 10%. 1.42 trillion. So I think if it is a trap and we're gonna go into a bull and it's just dropping to go higher, I think it would, if that's true, it would reverse around 1 trillion. Late 900 billions market cap. This is all the money that's in all of crypto, every cryptocurrency. So I'm thinking around 1 trillion is when we'll bounce, if it's a trap. If not, it'll keep going down, and I mean definitely means we're in the bear market. So let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick before I go over Ether Connect and my staking. Bitcoin, I have it marked here. It's funny because I trended this a while back before this was even a high. I trended it right here. I had a feeling that obviously that was going to be the new ceiling and we would have to beat that. I was hoping we would get around almost 42,000. If we could have stuck up here, broke through 42, we would have been on a collective bull run until we picked back up. But it's not looking too good. My 300 EMA, exaggerated move, exponential moving average, it's the market's under that. That's not good, and it's holding under that, and it made a new trend which I drew a while ago as well. It came back into this trend. So as you can see, look what happened here. It bounced around, what is this, 3100. It bounced around 3100 again. We might be aiming for 3100 again. Hopefully we catch a bounce. We got to go through a lot. We got to go through a new ceiling and then a new ceiling, and then we're in a bull run. It could happen. Hey, it's Bitcoin. It could happen. Anything could happen in Bitcoin. But the more it goes down, the more unlikely, and the more you guys should figure out your game plan on what you're going to do in the market. This is not financial advice. Entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, I got my stochastic RSI over here. Let me see on the daily really quick. Let's check it out. Like I said, what we wanted to do is we want to see it bounce off of this, because I'm pretty sure it's going to go down to this. I mean, it tested it twice already. And we want to see it bounce hard off of that, break through this resistance, and then head over through the EMA, which is going to be a mission as well. And the real thing we want it floating right under or right on 42,000. If we can hold that long enough, if we do those other two things first, then the market could be in a potential bull run. And then that'll be good for all the cryptos, because when Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin's like the catalyst for cryptocurrency. So let's go to Ether Connect. Now, sheesh. When the markets are down, baby, Ether Connect looks good. So the fact that everything's down and this coin is going up in value says a lot. It's because the project involves you staking, and you can't take your money out. You put it in and it pays you every day. So you can't exit and be like off of fear. You just make more money every day. So I think it's a pretty smart mechanic behind it. I did a video, my first video when I was checking it out. I believe we were at like 26 or 27 per ECC coin, and now we're at 28.5. We're heading to 29, and then the EYFI coin is a yield farming coin that they partnered up with, so it's another coin on their platform. You guys can buy one or the other. You could buy the EYFI coin. Maybe I'll make a video showing you, but it's the same. I posted a video on how to deposit to the ECC coin, which is the site's coin. It's the same method. Instead, you just go here, or look, you go up here, EYF private sale. Click here to buy, and you buy, and then you buy using whatever crypto you want. Send the money. It's gonna give you the coin. And the reason I say that, if you look at my first video where I'm reviewing it and the video where how to deposit, I think this price was like 53 cents or something. So we almost doubled in one day. I recorded that yesterday, so it's pretty crazy. Now let's check at my stakes. So level earning, I have stake earning 74 cents worth of ECC, which is 2.59. Mind you, I just made this account yesterday, so it's brand new. I have 82 ECC right now. Mind you, if this ECC token can potentially go up, like I said, it can $10, $20, $100, $5. We don't know, right? But the fact that I have 82 of them, like I keep saying, it's like if you had the chance to buy Ethereum and you could get 82 Ethereum for $23. Right now, you would be up big time. So really awesome with that. We got EYFI level earning. This is how much I earned with this coin. I'm probably gonna put like 100 in this coin and 50 in the ECC, because I'm earning ECC every day. This one's going up in value. Really cool. You can do both. So it's two coins that have this. They have the same mechanic on one platform. This one is just right now. I think there's more hype behind this one, so I'm probably gonna put a little more in this one. It's up more than this one. This one's still up, but this one's going up more right now. So let me look at depositing. So let's do Ethereum. Go here. USD. What is this? No, actually, let me do the DeFi first. Let's buy some Ethereum. So I'm gonna buy some EYFI coin. Again, it's another coin on the platform. Let's go over here. Assets. Let's send some Ethereum. Let's do $100. So I'm gonna try to do around $50 to $100 every single day. Throwing it in there. Show QR. Copy this address they want me to send. Paste it. Yup. Type in USD. Oh no, let's type in this. 0.05167072. Yep, $99.97. It's only gonna cost me $1.14. I'm gonna click next, confirm, and it's pending. This is gonna go through any second. Ethereum's quick. I'll get a notification when it does. And let's go over to dashboard, and then let's go to deposit over here. Let's go to Ethereum and put $50 into the ECC token. Show QR. That's the amount I gotta type in. Could have just copied and pasted it last time. Let's send some more. Oh wait, first I gotta put the address. Alright. The ETH. Copy the amount. Paste the amount right. Why does it do that? Send, paste, whatever. I have to type it in, because if I try to go back and copy, it's gonna close it. 258 3779. 3779. $50, $49.98, $1.10 again to send. Not that bad, not bad at all, very cheap. Alright, perfect. Alright, so those are sending right now. They should be in any second. But yeah, so my strategy with this, like I said, I'm gonna be doing $50 every day, $50 to $100, and I'll switch around between the coins. So look, it just went through. So transaction confirmed. So if I refresh this, this should go up $100 at least. Yep. So now it's at 288.30 cents, and we're just getting started, man. I think I only put $100 into this originally. So, and that was yesterday. So I made 80 bucks already, just like that. And then I have 30 over here. So I made $100 with $110 already since yesterday. And I only invested into this coin 200 bucks. Too easy, man. Too easy, man. Yo, y'all are watching this right now, like, yeah, you might be watching like, wow, that's nice, or you might be watching it like, that's a little bit of money, bro. The goal is, for me, I just want to compound this, you know what I'm saying? What I'm in right now, how much I have, is nothing compared to what I'll have in 30 days. And you'll see in 30 days. You'll be like, damn, boy. Damn, kid. That's what you doing, kid? Damn, kid. Oh, you compounding like, yeah, I'm compounding like that, kid. Compounding like that. So, yeah, that's it. I showed you guys everything you need to see. And put my money in there. I'll keep you updated. If you're in the chats, say hi, say what's up. Ask me some questions. I'll show you what to do. If you're not in the chats, you want to get in the chats. Trust me, you want to get in the chats. So, guys, if you got any value, you like this video, like it, comment, share it, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Drop a comment below if you think I should do $50 a day or $100 a day. I'm not sure yet. That's it. If you ain't living lavish, then you ain't living, guys. Peace.